In this video, I will show you how to collect emails and send them to your email autoresponders lists. First, you have to connect your email autoresponder account. Check the corresponding video for instructions on how to do it. Now, go to the Bot Managers section in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Choose Facebook in the upper switch, choose an account, and then click on General Settings. Look for your desired email autoresponder. For example, here we will use MailChimp, select a list, and save. Now, all the emails collected from the Messenger's quick reply or user sign up will be automatically added to your email list on any of these apps. Let's see how to integrate these features into your chatbots. Here we have a new bot flow where we have already set a keyword trigger, a name, and a text. Click on the button socket and drag it into the dock. Double-click on it, give a name, select user email as its type and save. This way, when the user clicks on the button, a modal form asking for their email will appear. Now, we will create a quick reply. Drag the corresponding component into the dock, connect it to the quick reply socket of the text box, double-click on it to edit and select email as its type. Save. Let's trigger the flow again, and this is how it looks in Messenger. The quick reply automatically detects the user's email and provides him a one-click way to sign up. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.